Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Welcome to my channel. Come with me, let's go to an event. VlogMas. Let's go. Join me in today's VlogMas episode as I take you along on a short but incredibly fun outing with friends. Bowling edition! Part of the activities I'll show you or carry you through in my Vlogmas is an outing that my friends and I are going to. We're going bowling. I am looking forward to this because I haven't bowled in forever. So let's go. I'll carry you along. For some reason, it's the end of the month and it's still raining. Whoa, amazing. Global warming, I guess. Let's go. The venue for the bowling is called Trocadero, and we are here. It's situated in Wuse 2. The ambience was as soothing as it was inspiring, creating the perfect backdrop for laughter, strikes, and unforgettable moments. Hit play, soak in the joy, and let's roll into the festive spirit together. When friends gather to let their hair down, it usually means they're seeking a relaxed and carefree atmosphere to do what? To unwind and enjoy each other's company. Here is what typically happens during such hangouts. Laughter and conversations, you share jokes, funny stories, you engage in light-hearted conversations. Laughter becomes a central theme as you enjoy each other's company. Then watch out for casual attire. You're looking for comfort. The emphasis is on relaxing, so friends often opt for cozy outfits that enhance the laid-back atmosphere. Music and dancing, that's exactly why this video does not have volume, because they had music playing in the background and your girl here will not want a copyright strike. No formal plans. These hangouts are often spontaneous with no strict itinerary. Excuse me, I used to have itinerary. You must have itinerary when it comes to me. This is just ideas I got from my research, but I love to have plans. We planned for this hangout. I think we planned and canceled. Well, it eventually happened, and little Simon went with us. So you want to look out for snacks, drinks, games and activities. If you are going outdoor for maybe a picnic or something, your environment matters. Photography and social media. I was the chief photographer. I was the chief social media content creator. You will see that in the course of this video. You will see that I was videoing, I was even giving free tutorials. Can you believe that? What you want to look out for is relaxation and comfort. Spontaneous ideas. Sometimes the best moment comes from spontaneous ideas. It could be a late night stroll, stargazing, or even a sudden decision to visit a nearby spot. It's not me. Like I said, these are all ideas that were gotten from my research. In essence, what I am saying is when friends gather to let their hair down, the emphasis is on creating a relaxed, enjoyable atmosphere where everyone can be themselves and savor the simple pleasure of friendship. Have you been watching my vlogs? I would like to know what you have thought about this vlog so far. Are you loving them? It is VlogMas 2023. Do not forget to hit the like button. Leave me a comment or two. I would love to know how you feel about today's vlog. And you may want to consider subscribing if you haven't. I will see you in my next video. Like I said, I was the content creator. Can you see that? I was the tutor. I was the photographer. Hey, I feel like I shall come up with my own tutorial very soon. What do you guys think? Anyways, like I said, let's roll into the Christmas spirit together. I'll see you in my next video. How many times did I say it? Anyways,